Once I was blind by my sin. Oh, my soul deserted. I have lived a hopeless life. Oh, His grace has found me. I come to Him now as I am, with wounded heart and broken soul. Now I found in Him a resting place. Whoa, now I found a resting place. Now I found a resting place. When I found His rest in His loving arms, every fear is gone, every chain is loosed. In Him I rest. All my sins and guilt have been faded. By His grace I am free. He has picked me up. He is my soul comforter. Now I found a resting place. Now I found a